So let me know when you get it, okay?
I have a t-shirt on. I can take this off on the other side.
Alright.
Whoa.
Keep your hands.
I'm sorry.
Keep
I'm
your
sorry.
feet
I'm
there.
sorry.
That's what feel a little.
How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Not too bad. I'm Deputy First Sheriff's Office. Two reasons why I stopped you. Because you made the right on the red there.
Okay.
Without coming to stop. And then we made your right-hand
You can't
turn.
make it right on that red?
You can, but you gotta stop.
Okay, sorry.
You kind of just roll through it.
Yes,
Then you
sir.
made your right-hand turn. You gotta maintain the first lane first. You just cut over.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
It's alright. You got your license, registration, insurance?
Yes, sir. You see my wallet? Here is insurance. Okay. Which is usually what I don't have.
And it's really not in the bag, right there.
I don't know. It could be down there by your feet, Mom. I'm sorry.
It's alright.
I can give you my name. I have a picture of my ID.
What about registration? You got that? Are you the registered owner?
Yes.
Okay. That would help if you have the registration.
Sorry, I have kids and they take everything in and out of my car. Look, I got diapers in here. And like, registration would be.
We're in here?
Yeah, my registration would be. I'll you right there.
There you go.
Is this the right one? 7/19/2023. That's my old
expires.
one.
It's alright.
That's
It's
what
got
I
your tag
have
on. No, you're good.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's alright. And you're...
Courtney.
We live right on Midway. You could follow us so we could go get it.
No, that's alright.
He's not gonna do
You
that.
guys smoked a little weed in here?
Huh?
You smoked a little weed earlier or something like that?
I have my medical card. And I do smoke, but I have not smoked. No.
Okay, I'm getting a read. You probably don't smell it because you're used to it, but I'm smelling it from the car.
So I'm sorry.
It's alright.
There's nothing in my car or
Okay.
anything like that.
Alright, do me a favor. You want to step out? You can shut the car if you want to save some gas.
Just keep me like crazy. I'm from New York. Let me get my wallet.
You want to shut the car off, save gas? Up to you.
I shut it off, didn't I? Yeah.
Did you? Alright. I thought I still heard it. Alright, let's go there. I'm just going to give you a warning, okay? You go with that?
Yes, sir.
Do you have an ID, ma'am?
Yeah, sure, of course. I'll make sure that because I was going to,
Thank you.
I'm supposed to leave tomorrow. Visiting my granddaughter.
Should I run them?
That's my daughter-in-law. So I come back for the Christmas.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I can smell weed. Even if you have a medical card, it still gives us consent to search the car.
Okay,
I mean, there's a
okay,
roach
I didn't
There's a roach right in there.
I'm sorry.
I mean, I don't care.
I apologize.
I'll be we don't care about weed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nothing's gonna happen to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
You know, this has never happened to me in my life.
No, it happens to me
And
all
I'm
the time.
60-something years old. It's never ever happened to me in life. But I'm good. I have nothing to worry about.
I mean, it's chilly for
Tomorrow I'm
Floridians.
gonna be getting. To me, I'm freezing in here because you know what, kid, this is her sweater. Because I bring down nothing like that.
Oh,
And I
yeah.
bring down these cutout things. Because I haven't been down
Keep
here.
your hands out of your pants.
Sorry.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, we don't like reaching.
I get nervous.
You don't
never
like
know what's
reaching,
there.
right?
I'm sorry?
You don't like reaching, right?
No,
I'm reaching for that.
I don't know what's
Yeah.
there, you know?
Yeah, it's true. It's true too. You
I
know,
don't have pockets.
they're police and.
Some sugar back there.
I know. The whole
Search
bag.
them for me.
106, huh? 10.
That's not her.
Can I grab my phone?
He'll be out here in 2 seconds.
Yeah,
Thank you. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
178. 6.
Thank you. I'm not tripping about the road. You
Lay
guys
down.
in my door.
There's a couple.
Yeah.
There's one in your door jam. There's one at the center console area.
624.
Vacuum your shit.
I
Right?
got you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, and I'm sorry, and thank you for the warnings and that.
No problem.
One
I hear Dickie over.
1062. 1062.
Okay, I'm just gonna search quick. So to be. Do you have anything? I'm just gonna pull from your stomach.
No.
Any syringes, any knives?
No. I don't even have a lighter in my car.
Okay.
So let me know when you get it, okay?
I have a t-shirt on. I can take this off on the other side.
Alright.
Whoa.
Keep your hands.
I'm sorry.
Keep
I'm
your
sorry.
feet
I'm
there.
sorry. I'm sorry.
That's what feel a little. it up there. Do not
Stop.
stuff it.
Stop.
Nothing. Put your hands up there. Finger in.
Now you're going to jail. Now you're going to jail. Step away. Step away. Step away.
Keep your.
Stop. 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 Turn the fuck around. Put your hands behind your fucking back. All right?
She's not going to jail. Courtney, just stay.
Oh
Stay, please. Please, Courtney, just stay still, please. Please, I'm begging you. Just stay steady, please. Please. I know, but just stay steady, please. They were nice to us, please.
Real nice. You
They were nice to us, Courtney.
You have something that you're stuffing up your vagina. Yes, I felt it. It was plastic and it was small.
I had nothing.
No, she doesn't do anything like that.
Let
We have the kids at home.
her finish her search.
Yeah. I am going to the Western Union to get you to send money to the new bread. You know what I'm saying? Really?
Just let her finish, please.
Yeah, she wasn't doing anything.
She was doing something. It's all on camera. It's all on camera.
No, I'm saying, you know, we got to do here. Oh, God, you know.
Can't go to jail.
Can't,
I have an
you know.
8-month-old baby.
Yeah.
Over here.
Sorry.
Over here.
Yes, Chubby.
This is so
We'll talk
violating.
later, yeah? All right, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Spread your feet.
I'm not comfortable with you touching my vagina.
Spread your
I'm
feet.
not comfortable with you touching.
Stop.
Come on.
You're making this worse. Ma'am, please, ma'am, I'm trying to be nice. Please go over there.
All right, spread your feet.
I know you feel uncomfortable, but it's okay. Come on, you're the law, okay? Let's just obey them, please.
You're literally going to be out of here in 2 seconds.
You're the law, and she's a female. Don't worry.
I know, but she's all in my vagina.
But it's okay. Come on, it's okay. You go to OBGYN, we know.
I don't like it though. I'm in the
I
middle of
know,
it.
but it's okay. She's an OBGYN. Come on, right? You're the law. She's a female.
All right, so when they strip search you down there, and they're going to retrieve whatever is right there.
Please don't take me to jail.
So I'm going to tell you, it's going to be an additional 2 felonies when you get down to the
Please don't
jail.
take me to jail.
Okay?
If it's paraphernalia, you just fucking give it up.
It's not worth it. You're making it a lot harder on yourself.
Please don't take me to jail. I have a brand new baby. I am brand new. Brand new.
What do you have on you?
Nothing.
Why is it so serious to you that you're not following law enforcement orders?
I am following law enforcement orders.
You are not. You're fighting with us.
You're not gonna go to them. They're telling you. They're so not really.
Yellow
They're nice to
paraphernalia,
us
you could be out of here
here.
with a court date.
I was
could just
told
take
that
it for
before.
destruction.
I was.
But you want to play games, it's going to go south.
Courtney, just go
you got a little fucking shit on
I
you,
don't know what's going on. Whatever,
Especially if it's
I don't know.
paraphernalia, just give it up.
When you
Please.
say paraphernalia, what do you mean?
A pipe,
paraphernalia?
baggie,
No,
just residue.
Nothing like that.
Okay, then what is it?
What
Nothing.
You're gonna get strip
Is there
searched.
anything?
There's nothing she can do. She.
Can I talk to you about my
I can, yes.
Good.
Yep. Listen,
I have a brand new
okay,
baby.
I understand
They've
that.
told me that before, and they told me that if I had anything, like if I didn't give it to them, that I would go to jail. And I've given it to them, and I went to jail every single fucking
Listen,
time.
okay, so you are in handcuffs right now
I know.
because I was searching you. And keep your hands up here.
I'm sorry. I mean, they can't go anywhere. I'm in cuffs.
They
I'm
can.
sorry.
They can.
Yeah.
Face me. We're having a conversation. Okay. Move over here just for vehicles. Okay. I know you have something there. I can feel it. You fighting me and trying to push it up your vagina. I'm a woman. Okay. I have the same exact body parts as you. I do this job.
That's my mother-in-law, though, and I.
Okay. So listen, woman to woman. Your mother. Okay. That's your baby daddy's mom. Why don't you pull me aside and be like, hey, you don't know my name, but deputy, here, why don't you search me over here? Communicate. Be a woman about it. Don't cause a scene. This made it even worse, okay?
You're gonna take me to jail. I know you're gonna take me to jail. I don't want to
Okay.
go to jail. I have a brand new baby.
So
I love
I'm
you
going
so
to
much.
retrieve that
Here, I'll get it
to
for
the
you.
best of my
It's a
ability.
baggie. It's a
I know
baggie.
what it is, okay?
It's a baggie, and it's
But you fighting
very
us
little in it.
is not gonna. That's not helping you.
Can I please have a cigarette before I go? Please.
If you
I'll get it for
remain
you.
cooperative,
I'll
then
get it
yes,
for
I
you.
will get
Yes,
that
ma'am.
for you.
Yes, ma'am.
So how am I going to trust that you're not going to stuff it up
I'm
even
not
more?
going to suffer because I know what happens when you go to the jail. You have an X-ray thing. I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid. That was stupid. What did you say was stupid? I don't want her to know. I don't want her to know.
Okay, so right now she thinks you're in handcuffs because I was trying to search you and you were fighting us. Okay, so it's up to you if you want her to know further. But right now you're in handcuffs because of that, and she knows that. She's not going to know if you hand me something. She's not going to know what, and if anything was found on you.
I'm going to jail, right?
I don't even know what you have. I know you have something almost in your vagina. I felt it. I moved it with my fingers, and then that's when you took your hand and tried to stuff it up. I know the furtive movements. Okay, but
I'm panicking
this is
right now.
honesty.
I haven't been in any trouble in fucking.
Honesty goes a long way, a very, very, very long way.
I'll get it. I'd rather you not go away, but I know if that's okay.
I completely agree with. I completely agree with you. So I'm going to release one of your hands. What's your dominant hand?
Right here.
Okay, so face this car here. Whatever you have, just put right here. And then I will talk to Fridas and see what I can do for you. Put your hand back here. Can I what? Correct, I won't. Alright, so I'm going to bring you to the front. We're just going to rest on the front of his hood, alright? Don't talk to her about whatever we have down going back here, right? I will grab you a cigarette. Just right here. Where's your cigarettes at?
Well, it should be maybe my purse or in the middle.
Okay.
Like if I was to go to jail, could you change your flight?
It's going to cost me a lot of money for change. It's going to cost a lot because me and
There's no name on it.
Yeah, there's marijuana in it.
Yeah, there's no name on it though.
There should have been. It's my wife's at Shayna's. She left him. I'm on my way to her house right now, actually, to pick up keychains for my mother-in-law.
hi, Adriana.
So she leaves tomorrow.
Do you have a card?
Winning.
Is it still valid? Huh?
My life sucks.
Why does your life suck?
Because I'm not going to jail. Again. And I don't want to. I'm not going to try so hard.
She said it's expired.
I just want to pray for you.
Please don't get me going.
Yeah, I thought everything was
I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry.
Just my baby for me.
Where are they?
Courtney's legal troubles stacked up fast. She was hit with a felony for possessing a controlled substance without a prescription, along with 2 misdemeanors, having drug paraphernalia and resisting an officer without violence. On June 13, 2024, she pled no contest and was convicted on every count. For the misdemeanors, she received 2 days in county jail. On the felony drug charge, the time she'd already spent in custody covered that sentence entirely. The judge then placed her on drug offender probation for 30 months, ordered 40 hours of community service, and suspended her driver's license for 6 months. Her freedom didn't last. Just a month later, she violated the terms of her probation, and the judge revoked it completely on October 31st, 2024. This time, she was sentenced to 24 months in state prison, with 113 days already credited from time served. Then, in July 2026, a judgment lien was filed against her over unpaid court fees.